Okay, today's lesson is standard deviation. So standard deviation is the measure, it measures the dispersion of a set of values. So it's going to help us measure how far spread out the values are from each other. Randall wants to adopt a cat. He's looking at two types, Persian or Burmese. He finds this result of their lifespan. So here's the first cat, here's the second cat, their lifespans. So we're going to enter the data. So stat edit. I'm going to clear that. Okay, so we get 11, 13, 14, 15, 15. Okay, I'm actually going to go right into L2 and enter the other set. Okay, so stat, calculate the one variable statistics. This is for L1 when you do that automatically. So the mean is 14.3, and then it says the median. So the median is 14. The mode, so if I look across here, 14 appears 3 times, and then that's the most. So 14. The range, so the highest is 18 and the lowest is 11. So the range is 7. And the standard deviation is right here, 1.79. Okay, and now we're going to do stat calculate one variable statistics of L2 this time. So here we have a mean of 14.6, median is 15, mode we have to look, 15, 16 appears 3 times as well. So we have 2 modes, 15 and 16. Our range, max is 18, min is 10. And our standard deviation is 2.29. Okay, so when we compare these two cats, I would say for the most part, you can see that like these are pretty similar, right? So similar average, but you can see that this is more spread out, which means you have more of a risk that you could either have a cat live for a short time or a long time, versus this is just going to consistently be more closer to that average. So type A is more consistently closer to the average, and type B is further away. Okay, so you can see here there's 2 classes. They had, this is what happened, mean, and their standard deviations. So you can see again, their average is pretty close, but this one is a lot more spanned out. So class A was more consistent. And class B more spread. So some scored really low and some scored really high. Okay, so the smaller the standard deviation means you're consistent. The higher means you are more spread out.